Hello, myself Balaji of OMA Tutor. So today I am here to discuss with you about the working of MS Excel. So first, what is MS Excel? It is a spreadsheet program included in Microsoft Office that will provide you with the values arranged in rows and columns, which can be changed mathematically using basic and complex arithmetic operations. So this is called as a spreadsheet. So one of these is called as a cell and rows and columns. So here we will learn about the working of MS Excel using a basic formula. So this is the task 1. So on my basic formula, so this is the formula which I am going to take here, as we need to write that. Y equals to, that is 7 into x, bracket close, open bracket, to the power of 1 by 2. So here it is 7 root x. We are taking like this as there is no root function in this MS Excel program, minus 2 by x power 5. So that we are going to take it as 2 divided by open bracket x raised to the power of 5 close bracket, and minus 3x cube, minus 3 into x raised to the power of 3 plus 4 by x. So we have taken this formula in the form of this, which we are going to use in Excel. So here we are inserting the x-axis, and in this y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We will work up to 10 variables from 1 to 10. So we have to insert this formula and evaluate the expression. This is equal to function of x copy, paste, So these are the values we have obtained by evaluating this expression. Inserting the color. Gradient fillings. So in the next step we are going to learn about the insertion of a table using this data. So first of all we have to insert a table format which we wanted and copy this data. Paste. So by using this data the creation of a table is very simple as we just cut, copy and paste. So after this inserting a chart, these are 2D types and there are also 3D types. So there will be many formats of the charts. So we just pick up this 3D model. So editing data preferences, selection from the table, so that is already selected. So this is the creation of a chart using the data. Thank you.